Cloud Code is just amazing. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a WhatsApp chatbot which can talk to your leads, qualify them, and send the message to the sales agent when the leads are qualified. It can extract the information about their budget, timeline where they are going to purchase, and location where they prefer to choose their property. And the best part is this chatbot can also send voice messages, which is very difficult to do from other traditional chatbot methods. And also, you don't need N8N and Make.com to build this chatbot. So say goodbye to those silly workflows, which requires a lot of time and expertise. We are going to build this all through Cloud Code. So let's get started. So this is the project and I'm going to drop it in the description. This is the Claude.md. So if I give you a brief about this, so Claude.md is the file which can help your Claude Code to remember like what going on in the project. Let's say you switched off your PC and you again switched it on, and afterwards it will forget everything. But whenever you run a project on Claude Code, it can remember or recall everything from the Claude.md file. So you can say it's the manual for Claude, which can help your agent to recognize what's its job and what it's made to do, which can help your AI agent to recognize its job. So you can just take a look, but it will be in description. So I don't think there's a need of going through everything. This is like the structure of this directory, you can see. And if I show you exactly what I'm using for this project, which is like WhatsApp token, which is my Meta Cloud API token, WhatsApp phone number, my phone number ID, Baba ID, and WhatsApp verified token, which is if I show you my callback URL is this in this case, and verified token is this. So if I explain you everything in easy words, I'm using ngrok to get this URL. The purpose behind it is that like the WhatsApp servers are on internet. I'm just telling you in the easiest words. And this is connected to your local host. It's connected to your PC. So to receive any message and then send it to the WhatsApp messages, you need a webhook URL, which is this. And this is the token for that, which will be loaded into your developers.facebook.com, and it will be in the configuration. So you can take a look, then you have to verify and save it. I'm not going to do that here because it's already done, but I'm going to drop a manual like how you can set this up completely from scratch for you if you don't know how to operate Meta and how to deal with Facebook stuff. So I'm going to drop that in that manual also. So this is the like ngrok or token which you can get from the ngrok.com server 3000, which is a different thing. So in this you need your 11 labs API key because we need it to generate the voice messages. So we need 11 labs API key, 11 labs voice ID. I'm using this voice, but you can use another voice. This voice is free, so I prefer using it. OpenAI API key, you can also go for Anthropic or something else. So you can always modify this project by writing anything, by giving any tasks to Cloud Code. If you're operating it in your anti-gravity or cursor, so you can just directly ask Cloud Code to make some changes in the project. If I give you the exact same project, and if you want to make some changes in that, you can easily do that using Cloud Code. So let's get on the demo of this chatbot. So now I am the lead and I'm going to type hi. Okay, we got a message. Hey there. Okay, it's asking my name. So let's give any random name. You can make it even more dynamic. It can even accept and work with different messages. Let's say a lead can type consecutive messages, so it can work with that also. So there is no need to type just one message and give that information in that. So we received a voice message also and a second message. What kind of budget are you looking at for a property? Let's see.
Great to meet you, John.
Okay, let's give it a budget. My budget is $1 million. Okay.
Wow, that's an awesome budget.
It really opens up so many possibilities. So if you're thinking to buy any specific city or state in mind, I'm planning to buy in SF. SF.
Gotcha. You're ready to dive in. Last thing I need is what type of property you're interested in. Are you looking for a single family home, condo, townhouse, or something else?
I think we can say condo. Okay. So actually, I got this message also, which is actually not intended for this number, but I received it because in my .env file, my agent number is this one from which I am operating it. So after qualifying the lead, it just threw that information here. I have hidden the number, but you can see that everything is here. So if you want, you can give a different number of a different sales agent, and he will receive the message whenever a lead is qualified and stored in the CRM. So I'm going to show you the CRM also. In this case, we are using a simple CRM, the best one, the evergreen, which is MS Excel. So this is how it looks like. We have the name, phone number, which is my phone number, the dollars and San Francisco, timeline accept, condo, and the time, status new lead. So whenever this entry will be made, the agent, or you can say the sales manager, will get the message, which is this message. So that will be a lot easier for the sales agent to actually directly talk with the lead and qualify them even more, or directly get on the meeting with them. Overall approach is to be more warm with the lead by sending the voice messages, because voice makes the lead feel familiar. So in that case, using a proper voice, you can also use the voice of your client. You can just directly clone it and use it, give it to this project, and then you can use that same voice. You can also add some kind of sentiments to it so that it will be even better, and you can directly send voice messages to the leads. Let's say if there is not a new lead, it's like an old lead, and they are familiar with the voice of your client. So in that case, it will be even better when you're using the voice of your client. So this was the demo. You can also connect it with the calendar. If I show you the flow chart for this, so let's take a look on that also. So this is the flow chart. The company name Tanish Properties, because I just made it for my company, just a demo, but you can just always change it. And customer message on WhatsApp. So we can also send voice messages. The lead can also send the voice message, and it will understand that very easily. Bot can handle both voice message and text message. And yeah, after that, it processes using the ChatGPT API key, and it collects the information like budget, location, timeline, and property type. A bot can reply using voice message and text message, like how we just saw. Voice messages were like more personalized. Text messages are also good because it's using the emojis. So in that case, if you go and try to make this similar in Anytel or Make.com, that can be pretty complicated. So using Claude Code is a easier choice, I would say, and a better choice also, because you don't have to take the headache for making those unlimited connections and optimizing things and making it so dynamic so that it can send a voice message, then a text message. Everything is handled by Cloud Code. So next, if the lead is qualified, the agent gets the WhatsApp alert, and it's saved to Excel also, just like how we saw. So yeah, you can just check my description and get this and try to plug and play with this. You can make even more changes. And let's say you're stuck at some point, you can ask Cloud Code to go through that project and fix the error for you, or make it work for you if you're struggling somewhere. By the way, I will be dropping the manual also, user manual also, so it will be easier for you. But if in case then also you struggle, you can ask Cloud Code and it will do everything for you. So this was the demo. I hope you liked it, and you can find this full project in my description. And if you want to build this for your client, you can host it on a server like Railway or Render, which can be done very easily. And most probably, let me know in the comments. I will be going to drop a video on that also. So stay tuned for more information, for more tutorials, and for more client work. See you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.